Hi, welcome to today's tutorial on how to run Tor over a VPN network using Proton VPN. This video is not sponsored. We have chosen this because Proton VPN has a ton of great features that improve privacy and anonymity over the internet, and they do not advertise as much as other VPNs that are available out there. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and visit protonvpn.com. Click on Create VPN account. Now click on Get Proton Free. It's an essential step as we can only buy subscription using Bitcoin after we have registered our account. Now you can just use your email to create an account. Since I already have my account, I will just log in using that. Now you can select the account subscription time from here. I am choosing 1 month for this tutorial. Click on Get Select VPN Plus. A checkout page will open. I will select the payment type as Bitcoin. It will show us an address and amount along with the QR code. Since we do not have a pay through wallet button here, I am clicking a picture of this QR code in my phone. Then I will scan it in my Electrum wallet through the camera of my machine. Now that the transaction is loaded, just add a description and click on Pay. Verify everything once and click OK. It will ask for a password. Authenticate the transaction using that. And we have successfully paid. After a few minutes, it will reflect on the Proton website checkout page. Now let's download the client app of Proton VPN. I'm downloading Windows version. After download is complete, install it in your preferred location. It's a very simple process, so just follow along. After installation is complete, authenticate with your email or username and password. You can choose any country you would like to connect to, but let's just connect to the fastest server available. Click on Quick Connect button. Now my connection has established in VPN server in India, as you can see at the top. Its IP address is also shared. Since our entire computer is now being routed through this VPN, if we connect to tor-network, our ISP, that is the internet service provider, will not know about it. But our VPN provider will know about it. This is why we should choose only those providers which we trust. Using a free VPN is also an option considered by many, but I will advise against it. This is because they collect all your data and sell them. Remember that if you are not paying for a product, then you are the product. Also, this method is considered helpful for those people living in countries where connecting to Tor network is considered unethical even just for navigating the deep web. Deep web sure has its negative aspects, but if used correctly, it is a very powerful tool for its users. Now let's open the Tor browser. Click on Connect button. Congratulations, now we are connected to Tor network over a VPN. Remember, if you want to explore hidden services on the deep web, check out the hiddenwiki2023.com. It's the ultimate directory for finding wide range of hidden services that prioritize security and privacy. It categorizes them into different sections for easy navigation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and sharing it. Subscribe for more tech tutorial tips. Thank you for watching and be safe out there when navigating the deep web.